Hello boys and girls, welcome. I'm back with the third puzzle. The third puzzle in this additional of today's newspaper on Monday. Yes, it's Monday, September the 19th. In this additional we have two puzzles left. I've already done the 3 stars and the 4 stars Sudoku. So 2 puzzles are left, the tectonic and the binary. And yes, you can guess, it's binary time. Yes, binary time. And this puzzle will be number 5200. What kind of binary puzzle is this one? Let me count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It's an 8x8 binary puzzle. That means in a row or in a column there are always 4 O's and 4 ones. Alright, so let's get started. Double 1, here no, there no. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. Double O, here 1, there 1. Between 2 ones comes an O. We have here 3 O's. If I place number 4 there, then we have 3 ones in a row in the last row. Not allowed one of the rules, so this can be no. This should be a 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Between 2 ones comes an O. Between 2 ones comes an O. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. Double 1, here no, there no. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. Between 2 O's comes in 1. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. Between 2 ones comes an O. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. Double 1, here no, there no. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. Then double O, here 1, there 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Between 2 O's comes in 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. Between 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. And 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. Finish in 2 minutes. Cannot believe this. Without comparing, guys. Without comparing. In 2 minutes. Well, I'm real pleased with the time. And I like this one. Yes, I really do. Very quick to solve this one. Very quick. Well, you don't have to think. Almost. But I've enjoyed this puzzle. 5200. Yes, real quick to solve. If you enjoyed this, thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you later with the last puzzle of today, a tectonic with 4 stars. Until then, bye bye for now.